As you're spring cleaning, you're probably running into old, antique, heirloom jewelry that have seen better days. Now, we always recommend checking with the jeweler for more delicate pieces, but if you want to give it a whirl at home on your own, I have 2 awesome tips that I love, and the best part, you have everything you need. Keep in mind, this one works best for silver jewelry. All you do is you line the inside of your bowl with the foil. Then you grab some hot water, pop in 2, 3, 4 tablespoons of baking soda. You'll see that it's gonna be very effervescent. Then you pour that mixture right into that small bowl and you pop in your jewelry. That's it. The trick here is that your silver jewelry must touch the foil. Now, the silver sulfide atoms that make your jewelry look tarnished are gonna move from your jewelry to the foil, making your jewelry sparkle again. I love this trick. You're gonna have sparkling jewelry without any of the scrubbing. Another super easy hack to clean gold and silver jewelry is cola. Yes, well, the jury is still out on why it actually works. I haven't tried this trick with the diet variety, so you might want to stick to the full sugar version for this one. All you do is you pour a cup of cola right into your saucepan and bring it to a boil. Then you just pop your jewelry right in. You'd think you'd have to leave it in there for some time, but you know what? I've seen dramatic results in just about 15 seconds. And look at that! Pretty remarkable, huh? And it couldn't have been simpler. And that's it, guys. Thanks for hanging out. We'll catch you next time.